Oh, what a beautiful day today is. It sure is. Anyway, everyone says I am most important because I am, however, the fastest engine in the world. Maybe you should be, because I'm a busy shunter. I shunt trucks and coaches for everyone to use. Oh yeah? As a matter of fact, it'll be my last day tomorrow. You better get my coaches ready. Very well, Jake. Because I'm Lucas and I'm a diesel shunter who shunts trucks and coaches everywhere. However, I better get your coaches ready. Alright, Lucas. Go ahead. I'll see about that. I'm waiting for my coaches. Oh, Lucas, there you are. You brought my coaches. How nice and superior of you. You're always respectable. I am. Oh, boy. My word, you took my coaches to the platform. How nice of you. Well, or could be. Because this is your last day tomorrow. And after that, I will be purchased for the Northwestern Railway. Okay, I'll better get back to work. Goodbye. We'll see. Okay, off we go to Skipton Station. I must be the fastest in the world. I love pulling passengers. This line takes you to the station. I must get there before the clock chimes. Finally, Skipton Station at last. Boy, oh boy, I am very fine with this. Good luck with that, Jake. We're going somewhere else. Yes, passengers, you can go to your places. I better take those coaches home. Oh, what a day. I feel very exhausted after a long day's of work. Evening, Lucas. Evening, Jake. You did your chimes very well. I had a good day taking all the passengers to Skipton. Yes, we know that now. You know that too. Never mind them, Jake. They're all just talking to each other all the same. Yes, I do indeed. I'm very exhausted after a good day's of work. Oh, well, Jake, you better get to sleep or else things will happen to you. Right you are, Lucas. I will get to sleep at once. Good night, everyone. Good night, Lucas. Good night, Jake. Morning, everyone. Let's see. Which engine should I choose? Oh, Jake, that's right. Wake up, Jake. Sir Topham Hatt has purchased you for your railway. Oh, boy. Northwestern Railway I am. Oh, better get my coaches ready. Go ahead. All right. To Barrow and Furnace, here we come. Well, that was a good run, wasn't it? From Barrow and Furness, we come up to Vickerstown. That's a quick stop. And here we go. Wow, this is so much fun. Oh boy. I get to see all the friends on Sodor. Here's Boko. Hello, Jake. Hello, Boko. My word. I've been purchased for the Northwestern Railway by Sir Topham Hatt. It's very nice in here. Yes, indeed, Jake. Welcome to Sodor. We are very pleased to have you in our railway, once and for all. And don't forget, Jake, that quick stop at Vickerstown was marvellous. You should know the truth. Yes, indeed. Scarlowy is right. Jake, You are really useful whatsoever. I could not believe it. Yes, Boko, it is. I'm happy to be on Sodor once and for all. And it was a splendid trip indeed.